Myself Spandana. The topic about the PGF and cyber policing to diffuse FCOT, and cyber criminal legacy. So, in abstract of this topic, FCOT are known as the twin big data cyber criminal seditious fake government that are the first of the kind in Indian history. FCOL and FCOT are the words and the reverse of the some coin of JNTHJSC cyber criminal website. The website is http www.jnthjack.com. Consequently, the case study of FCOT and FCOL has a very good potential for a cyber policing legacy of the remedial form. PGF's counter intelligence alternative for the mitigation and diffusion of cybercrimes. We conclude that PGF's cyber policing legacy is significant in the development of the smart city. Hyderabad as well as Telangana or India, PGF successfully endeavored ICT usage based on cyber-safe, cyber-smart academics in Telangana. Introduction of this topic at the outset, we assert that this paper presents some new perspective of IT and governance in the present day world. So the authors have great respect for the goal and the God are responsible citizens of Mother India. However, for reliable, sustainable democracy, we highlight the cybercrimes that have caused abuse and got abuse impact on legacy and assert that correct remedies and recover from these cybercrimes are required as ICT initiatives from the goal. Got JNTH cyberpath and general masses such that we have truly real-time smart governance which strengthens the roots of democracy in India. This is the website for this JNTHJSC. Previously we saw that JNTH the website homepage at date 26 2012 snapshot crawl from Wayback Machine. AI agent software Wayback Machine was used as a tool for cyber forensic diagnostic. The many snapshots of the traces of the TBDCOs were captured as screenshots and presented in. The crux of the matter in our earlier works was cyberpolicing to diffuse the TBDCOs, but now new perspective of the cyberpolicing case study have come up. Figure 1 shows the Indian national emblem in the logo used in the cyber criminal website http www.jnthjc.com. What is a fake government of India first? It is already well proven by the many publications of PGF that the case study involves CSF code. Nevertheless, the mention of the National Seal of India opens new vista of cybercrime spectrum for the case study. The mention of the National Seal may be considered as a forging the signature of both. This means that what is the government of India is prevalent by means of the cybercriminal website. Now important question arises. Conclusion for this project of this topic. PGF has evolved as cyber policing firm owing to the intense R&D work with respect to the case study for the diffusion of the TBDCOs. We conclude that the PGF cyber policing legacy is significant in the development of the key smart city, Hyderabad in India. As long as the prevalence and existence of FCOT and FCOL and their varying forms such as online and offline dimensions are not ruled out by a white paper release by the Cyberbath Polish JNTH not FCOT together with the prohibition. This is so because we open the smart policing essential for a city to be termed a smart city. Thank you.